What if the only thing holding your projects back in 2026 isn't your skill, but the tools you haven't discovered yet? On AU Techverse, we are uncovering 25 new and amazing woodworking tools designed to transform how you cut, shape, and build. Stay with us, because every tool featured in this video has its Amazon link in the description. And missing one could mean missing your next serious upgrade. Dazefree Bench Vise. Holding workpieces securely is essential for precision, especially when sanding, drilling, or shaping. The Dazefree Bench Vise features a durable cast steel body with a clamp-on design for quick installation on most workbenches. Its 360-degree rotating base and multi-angle adjustment allow flexible positioning. Compact yet stable, it supports small parts and pipework effectively. It is a dependable tool for maintaining control and stability during detailed woodworking tasks. Deefiine Carbide Wood Turning Tool Set. Wood turning requires sharp tools and consistent control to achieve smooth finishes. The Deefiine Carbide Wood Turning Tool Set includes multiple tools such as roughers, finishers, and hollowing tools with replaceable carbide inserts. The square stainless steel shafts provide strength, while ergonomic foam handles improve grip and comfort. Quick change inserts reduce downtime. It is a reliable set for achieving clean, precise cuts in lathe work with greater efficiency. Eastyle Compact Router Plunge. Routing precise grooves and edges requires both power and accuracy. The Eastyle Compact Router Plunge features a 600W brushless motor with variable speeds up to around 28,000 RPM. It includes both plunge and fixed bases, along with a micro-adjust depth system for fine control. Soft start and constant speed features improve stability during operation. It is a versatile tool for handling trimming, slotting, and carving with consistent precision. Kreg Tool Pocket Hole Jig. Creating strong joints quickly can be difficult without proper alignment. The Kreg Tool Pocket Hole Jig allows fast and accurate pocket hole joinery for materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. It features an anti-slip drill guide and easy clamping system for consistent results. The included screws and accessories simplify the process. It is a dependable tool for building strong, clean joints in woodworking projects. Wrango Tools Pry Bar. Removing trim, lifting boards, or pulling nails can damage surfaces without proper leverage. The Wrango Tools Pry Bar is made from high-carbon steel and features wide, flat ends that distribute force evenly. Its built-in nail pullers and angled edges improve access in tight spaces. The shock-absorbing grip enhances control during use. It is a reliable tool for clean removal and controlled prying without unnecessary surface damage. Maxpower Scaffold Ratchet Wrench. Switching between multiple tools during assembly slows down workflow. The Maxpower Scaffold Ratchet Wrench combines several functions, including a ratchet, spanner, pry bar, and hammer. Its dual drive head supports common socket sizes, while the tapered handle helps align bolts quickly. Made from forged steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it is built for durability. It is a practical tool for handling fastening and adjustment tasks with greater efficiency. YYR Wood Organizer. Managing long materials like lumber and pipes can quickly clutter your workspace. The YYR Wood Organizer is a wall-mounted storage system with multiple levels, supporting heavy loads with a powder-coated steel frame. Each tier holds substantial weight, helping keep materials off the floor. Easy installation and strong brackets improve stability. It is a practical solution for organizing your workshop and maximizing available space efficiently. Tooliom Chainsaw Helmet. Working with chainsaws requires proper protection to reduce risk. The Tooliom Chainsaw Helmet combines a safety helmet with ear protection, mesh and plastic face shields, and goggles. Its adjustable design includes a secure chin strap and comfortable suspension system for extended use. The bright color improves visibility in outdoor environments. It is an essential safety tool for protecting your head, face, and hearing during cutting tasks. Mian Limb Rope Saw. Cutting high branches without climbing can be risky and time-consuming. The Mian Limb Rope Saw uses a flexible chain with sharp teeth and long ropes attached on both ends, allowing you to cut branches from the ground. Made from durable manganese steel, it delivers clean cuts with controlled pulling motion. The included handles improve grip and control. It is a practical tool for safe, efficient tree trimming without ladders. Workpro Folding Roller Stand. Handling long boards alone can lead to uneven cuts and poor control. The Workpro Folding Roller Stand provides adjustable height support, helping keep materials level during cutting or feeding through machines. Its sturdy steel frame supports heavy loads, while the roller head allows smooth movement. Foldable legs make storage easy. It is a reliable tool for improving stability and accuracy when working with large materials. Grenpro Combination Square Woodworking Ruler Tools. Accurate measurement and layout are essential for clean results. The Grenpro Combination Square set includes multiple measuring tools with clear metric and inch markings. Made from aluminum alloy, it offers durability while remaining lightweight. The design supports angle checking, straight lines, and 90-degree verification. Its compact form makes it easy to carry. It is a dependable tool for maintaining precision in measurement and layout tasks. Dremel High Performance Rotary Toolkit. Detailed work often requires multiple tools, which can slow down progress. The Dremel High Performance Rotary Toolkit combines cutting, grinding, sanding, and engraving in one system. It features variable speeds up to around 35,000 RPM and includes multiple attachments and accessories. The ergonomic design improves control, while built-in lighting enhances visibility. It is a versatile tool for handling detailed and precision tasks efficiently. Heycody Door Hinge Jig Tool. Cutting hinge mortises by hand can lead to uneven depth and poor alignment. The Heycody Door Hinge Jig Tool provides a stable router-compatible template that ensures consistent hinge placement. Made from aluminum alloy, it includes adjustable settings for different hinge sizes and radii. Built-in depth control and anti-slip pads improve accuracy during use. It is a reliable tool for achieving clean, precise hinge installations with minimal effort. General Tools Angle-Izer Template Tool. Transferring complex angles accurately can be difficult with standard rulers. The General Tools Angle-Izer Template Tool uses a four-sided, adjustable design that locks into any shape, allowing you to copy and transfer angles directly. Made from durable fiberglass-filled nylon, it is lightweight and easy to handle. It works across wood, tile, and other materials. It is a practical tool for reducing measurement errors and improving layout accuracy. Workpro Cordless Rotary Tool. Handling detailed tasks without a power outlet requires a compact and portable solution. The Workpro Cordless Rotary Tool features multiple speed settings and a wide range of accessories for sanding, polishing, cutting, and engraving. Its lightweight design improves control, while built-in lighting enhances visibility. USB charging adds convenience for on-the-go use. It is a versatile tool for completing detailed work with flexibility and ease. Artymaster Multifunction Scribing Tool. Marking precise lines, arcs, and circles is essential for accurate cutting. The Artymaster Multifunction Scribing Tool features an adjustable aluminum body with a compass-style design for consistent marking. It includes a deep hole pencil system and smooth adjustment knobs for fine control. Compact and easy to carry, it supports multiple layout tasks. It is a dependable tool for achieving clean, accurate markings in woodworking projects. Nkiy Quen Plastic Joining Biscuits. Creating flush joints quickly can be challenging with traditional wooden biscuits. The Nkiy Quen Plastic Joining Biscuits use a tongue and groove style design that locks pieces together with strong grip. Made from moisture-resistant polypropylene, they maintain shape and strength over time. Their dual-sided texture improves holding power during assembly. It is a practical solution for achieving stable, aligned joints with less preparation and consistent results. Gold Deer Woodworking Tool. Shaping wood by hand requires control and a sharp cutting edge. The Gold Deer Woodworking Tool is a draw knife made from high-carbon SK5 steel, designed for carving and removing material efficiently. Its contoured wooden handles provide a firm grip, allowing controlled cuts in different directions. Suitable for logs, beams, and detailed shaping, it delivers smooth shavings. It is a reliable tool for precise manual wood shaping tasks. Pony Jorgensen Adjustable Band Clamp. Clamping irregular shapes evenly can be difficult with standard clamps. The Pony Jorgensen Adjustable Band Clamp uses a long nylon strap that wraps around square, round, or uneven workpieces. Its ratcheting mechanism applies consistent pressure, while corner pads help maintain alignment and protect surfaces. Built for durability, it handles large assemblies effectively. It is a practical tool for achieving balanced clamping on complex woodworking projects. Jorgensen Japanese Pull Saw. Achieving fine, accurate cuts requires a tool that offers control and precision. The Jorgensen Japanese Pull Saw uses a thin SK5 steel blade with fine teeth, designed for smooth pull cuts. Its flexible blade reduces effort while improving accuracy on delicate work. The ergonomic handle supports comfortable grip during extended use. It is a dependable tool for making clean, precise cuts in detailed woodworking tasks. Powertec Abrasive Cleaning Stick. Sanding efficiency drops quickly when abrasive discs get clogged with resin and dust. The Powertec Abrasive Cleaning Stick restores sanding surfaces by removing buildup without damaging the grit. Made from natural rubber, it works on belt sanders, disc sanders, and drum sanders. Simply press it against the moving abrasive to clean it instantly. It is a practical tool for extending sandpaper life and maintaining consistent sanding performance. Powertec Chisel Plane. Refining tight corners and trimming small surfaces requires precise control. The Powertec Chisel Plane features a compact design with a sharp SKD11 steel blade for detailed work. Its adjustable depth system allows fine-tuning, while the ergonomic handle improves stability during use. Ideal for plug trimming and joinery cleanup, it reaches areas standard planes cannot. It is a reliable tool for achieving clean, accurate finishing in detailed woodworking tasks. Shungbinhao Wood Carving Drill Bit Set. Detailed carving and engraving often require specialized bits for accuracy. The Shungbinhao Wood Carving Drill Bit Set includes multiple high-speed steel bits designed for use with rotary tools. Their shapes allow access to tight spaces for fine detailing, shaping, and engraving. Built for durability and precision, they support smooth cutting on wood surfaces. It is a practical set for enhancing detail work in carving and decorative projects. XQ2 Tongue and Groove Router Bit Set. Creating strong, aligned joints requires precise cutting tools. The XQ2 Tongue and Groove Router Bit Set includes two carbide-tipped bits designed for forming matching joints. Built with hardened steel bodies, they offer durability and stable performance. Compatible with most routers, they support clean cuts in wood and composite materials. It is a reliable set for achieving tight-fitting, professional joinery in woodworking projects. Woodpeckers Compact Auxiliary Rip Fence. Making precise, repeatable cuts on a table saw can be difficult with a standard fence alone. The Woodpeckers Compact Auxiliary Rip Fence attaches to existing fences using clamp-on brackets, adding a taller and more supportive surface. Its rigid construction improves stability, while the extended face helps control taller workpieces. Easy to install and remove, it enhances cutting accuracy. It is a dependable upgrade for achieving cleaner, more controlled rip cuts. That wraps up these 25 new amazing woodworking tools designed to make your work faster, more precise, and far more efficient in 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, share your favorite tool in the comments, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more high-quality practical tool content that genuinely helps you build smarter every single time.